Hi! In front of me is TECNO Camon 18 Premier, and today I would like to show you how you can operate the vibration settings. First of all, go into Devices settings, scroll down just a bit, and click on Sound and Vibration. After that, you can tap on haptic vibration right away to turn them on or off. When you're ready, scroll all the way down, click on sound and vibration, and disable vibrations completely by tapping on off, or enable them by tapping on vibrations. Either way, when you're ready to save your changes, hit OK. Last but not least, select Vibrate Vocals and apply the best option for your incoming calls. Never vibrate, always vibrate, or vibrate first, then ring gradually. Then tap on OK as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!